Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping cellular internet for WhatsApp. First, check your Samsung model and Android version so settings match. Then open Quick Settings and tap Mobile Data Off. This prevents background sync immediately. Once done, you can also enable airplane mode briefly to force a full disconnection. Make sure to keep Wi-Fi off if you want total network block. These steps cut the data path fast. They are the foundation before app-level controls. Next, you stop WhatsApp inside the system. Go to Settings, Apps, find WhatsApp, then Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Turn off both background and foreground data to prevent any access. If needed, go to Settings, Connections, Data Usage, and block app data specifically. Once done, consider adding WhatsApp to Samsung's secure folder or a blocked profile to isolate it. These controls are effective because they cut permissions rather than just turning off data globally. Finally, you verify and troubleshoot. Reboot your Samsung to ensure the system enforces the new restrictions. Once it's back, ask someone to send a message to confirm you appear offline. Make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data remain off for the app. If WhatsApp still connects, clear the app cache, force stop it, and recheck data toggles. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall after reapplying restrictions. This sequence resolves most lingering connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.